These are the chicken patties that we'll be using for our spiders. We're going to cook these according to the directions on the package. Time to make the spiders. I'm going to use this biscuit cutter to make the outer legs. We position it and cut. Then we use the smaller cutter to make the smaller legs and the body. Get it positioned and cut. Now we cut the legs. Go ahead and spin this. There, we have our legs.
We are using these ramen noodles to make the spider webs. Cook them to your liking. Drain the noodles so that they'll look like a spider web. We are hard-boiling 2 eggs.
To represent our wrap bugs.
We're going to cut the egg lengthwise before placing on the noodles.
We're going to spread the noodles out to make it look like spider webs. I'm using 2. We're going to place our wrapped up bug. I'm going to put my spider together. We put the little leggies. If I can get him to stand up. Aha. Technical difficulties.
It worked better in practice because we didn't have the noodles to contend with.
Or the size of the plate.
That's true. Hang with us. We're going to get this. They are super cute when it's finished. You'll see.
Jeez.
Well, that will work. Does it have like an extra leg?
Yeah.
You know, they're only supposed to have 8.
I know.
We've got a special spider here.
Yes, and I can't pick up the eyeball. There we go.
Alright, here's her spider. And we'll be back in just a second after the rest of us assemble each of our own spiders. And they are all done. Here's Cora's little Franken spider. Cute, though. Here's mine. Nana's. And Abby's. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you create this and upload a video to your channel, let us know in the comments, and we will add your video to our I Created It playlist. We would love to have you as a subscriber. Don't forget to cook, bake, plate, and create.
Bye-bye.